got a plant. What are you going to do with the plant? I know I should be planting stuff. Thank you everybody online who's been offering me cuttings. And yeah, basically got to like start growing stuff. So I came down to Stodels. Pole Yard's also got a presence here. Brought the planter down, obviously treated with the Tan E, and that's the environmentally friendly stuff. So the stuff I grow isn't going to kill me. And I'm going to chat to the pros that grow to find out. I want some herbs, I want some flowers, and I want some cool stuff. Let's see what happens. Luckily for me, I found Amanda, as I'm completely clueless when it comes to choosing plants. So many lavender options, important to get the right one. Salad flowers, it's a thing, hey? I do a lot of curries, so can we grow coriander?
Yes, you can grow coriander.
You got coriander here?
Yes, you got coriander.
Let's go for some coriander. Would you have everything, if I might decide to grow tomato plants?
Yes.
Everything you need to grow tomato plants?
Yes, sir. Definitely to have everything to allow to grow it.
Everything you need to grow tomatoes. Right, so we got the plants home, and they said obviously the green side is up, otherwise there were just roots sticking out. We've got the soil in, we got chickpeas as well, that's in there as well. We got the coil, I don't want to, there's some lavender and my mint over there for the rub. Now we've got to water them, let's go water them. Yeah, tomato plants love water. And then we wait now.